In this series, we're going to deal with a major issue in the reselling community. Going to bring on Randy Fasig, who has been an entrepreneur for over 50 years and is active in the wholesale as well as the reselling community. Randy is gracious enough to share his knowledge and help us become better resellers with his 12-step reselling program. So let's get started.
Together, we put together a program for all resellers because we saw a problem that was pretty prolific throughout the reselling community. We call it the 12-step program. You know, most people think of the 12-step program and they think of a drug rehab. Well, basically, this isn't really a whole lot different. Is it going to be 12 steps? I don't know. Might be 10, might be 14. Nonetheless, the first thing we're going to discuss is cleaning the clutter. Clutter is the biggest problem within the resale community. Okay, it clogs up, doesn't help our sales at all, and we need to clean that up first thing, because the first thing we want to do is basically start with a clean slate. So the first thing we're going to do is declutter our work area. That primarily is our desk. So what I want you to do is follow this one golden rule. We're going to break it, but then we're going to try to stick to it. It's called the Ohio rule. Okay? Only handle it once. All right? This is going to save you a whole lot of time, and it's going to end up making your reselling a lot more productive. Okay, I want you to grab a box, probably a 12 by 12 by 12, and take everything from your desk and put it in the box. Everything. Well, except for your printer and your computer. And I want you to put every single thing in there. Then I want you to get out some cleaner and a paper towel and wipe it all down. And that's going to be called a clean slate. Then we're going to break that rule, the Ohio rule, of only handling it once. What we're going to do is take everything out of the box, put it back on the desk. But the only thing that can come out of the box are the tools that you need to work today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not later on, just what you need today. Everything else stays in the box. Now give your desk a good wipe down. Okay? There's nothing better than a clear vision. Everything on your desk that you do not need will impair that vision. And now that you've completed your first task, and the first task is an important task, okay? A Navy SEAL in general once said, the first thing you learn in the Marine Corps is to make your bed, okay? It gives you a sense of accomplishment, and it starts your day off with something that you have accomplished and completed, no matter how simple it is. Cleaning your desk is fairly simple, okay? Not putting anything back on is not. So, and by the way, before you clean your desk, send me a picture of it and then send me a picture after it so we can kind of see what it was and how did it make you feel once it was done and complete. Are you ready to start your first task? Are you ready to complete it? It's not going to stay that way. I know it, and you know it. But as long as we get back to it, it will become a habit that's going to save you time, a habit that's going to save you money. And there's a lot of other problems with it that we'll go into later on. So in this short little video, I want you to be able to accomplish one thing: to have a great work area that's easy to work on.